Let's practice alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana. Wonderful breathing practice, pranayama practice to help us balance the nervous system, which will hopefully help us balance our mind and our body and all of our systems. So begin by finding a hand position, a mudra. You use your right hand, and the thumb will gently close the tip of the right side of the nostril. The next two fingers can either curl in or can rest between the eyebrows so that the last two fingers are available. So thumb gently pressing on the end of the nostril, next two fingers to between the brows are curled in, last two fingers ready. And we'll begin by exhaling out through the left nostril. You can keep your eyes open or close them. And then breathe in through the left nostril. And with those last two fingers, gently close off the left nostril. And then open the right side to exhale out through the right side. We're breathing in through the right nostril. Gently closing, so we hold. And then we open the left nostril to exhale. Finding a pretty even breath rhythm, sitting up nice and tall. So breathing in left side, 2, 3, 4, holding. Breathing out, right side, 2, 3, 4, pausing. Breathing in, right side, 2, 3, 4, holding. Breathing out, left side, 2, 3, 4, pause. Breathing in, left side. Closing, left side. Opening, right, exhale. Breathing in, right side. Closing. Breathing out, left side. Breathing in, left side. Closing. Breathing out, right. Breathing in, right. Closing. Breathing out, left. Breathing in, left. Closing. Breathing out, right. And then we'll finish by breathing in, right. Holding. And breathing out, left. Eyes closed, lowering your right hand down. Noticing the breath in the nostrils, the sensation of the breath streaming in and out through the nostrils. Noticing how you feel at the end of alternate nostril breathing practice, where we've balanced the two major energy channels in the body, Ida and Pingala. And then just easing the eyes open.